Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan. Today we got another brand new unboxing. Alright guys, before you start on today's video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and do not forget to ring that bell. So every time I upload one of these bangers, you're going to get notified. And with all that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I know we haven't had a little bit of an unboxing video in a while for you guys on the channel. So this is just the second half of that pack from the Whitaker group, right? So these things are going to be that teal, blue, as well as the silver colorway. Now, size tag, it's the 1906 New Balance pack. And it is I got an 11.5. True to size, basically, in all New Balances. They do fit very well. Inside the box, standard packaging. Right, so your New Balance paper right there, nothing special. And then you're going to get the shoes right away. Now, this colorway is not the most popular out of the pack, actually. It is going to be that shadow gray colorway. I don't mind this colorway, though, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pretty cool, unique colorway, and it pops, right? It's just one of those shoes, if you're going to be wearing these things out, you're going to be wearing them to the gym, people are going to notice these things, right? I mean, look at the detail in this. You know, it's just pretty cool. I do like the caging, right? Like the caging that the New Balances have on them, especially this model, with all the different, like, you know, panels to the sneaker. I do kind of like that. It's just like a retro type of vibe, right? Like the old school running shoe. And these things hit the nail on the head. Gonna get some 3M detailing as well. So inside the back of the heel, like cage right here in this like TPU plastic where it has the New Balance logo, behind that you're going to be able to see there's this little silver panel. That's going to be 3M material, ladies and gentlemen. So nice 3M hit there. The entire upper where you see this reflective almost silver you know, paneling up here. I think this is like it's like a synthetic leather, I guess is the best way to describe that. But all of that up there is also going to be 3M on the sneaker. So, like I said, nice little details, nice hits on this shoe. But overall, I do personally think that those shadow grays in the pack is probably my, you know, it's a more wearable color. And it's just my favorite out of this pack. But this one's not too bad. Not too bad. New Balance has really grown on me, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to see, too, the next two unboxings are also going to be New Balance. That is going to be the Joe Fresh Goods, the brand new pack that just came out, the 990 V6 pack. So that's going to be coming up on the channel very soon as well. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, man, I'm a pretty big New Balance fan overall these days. They're very comfortable sneakers. They're light sneakers, and just that aesthetic is in right now. I think, you know, with that Action Bronson pack, you know, that just released, that brought a lot of hype to, especially this model, the 1906. But, you know, the 990, you know, that's a really nice model as well. The 2002R is also a really dope model. I know that the Protection pack was pretty popular, as well as just all the Joe Fresh Goods, you know, collaborations, you know, the Amelie Dor, all of those collaborations, and now the Salehi Bembury is also going to be coming out with another new pack as well. Throw some images up of those, you know, those shoes that are going to be coming out in a pack as well. There's a purple and also like this pear green color. But yeah, man, just like New Balance is hot right now, guys. They are super on fire, and I gotta be honest, I'm here for it. I do like them. I was not a New Balance guy, I gotta say. I did jump on the bandwagon. I'm not gonna say, you know, I've always liked New Balance, because I have not. So if you want to call me a bandwagon hopper or a hype beast, go right ahead. I don't care. But let me know what you guys think about New Balance down below. If you guys been diving in to all these new collabs and colorways and all that stuff, with, you know, the new hype kind of around that. Let me know if you guys have any in your collection. Put it down in the comments. Overall, guys, yeah, super clean colorway. I really like the teal pop right here. It's like the Miami Dolphins. That's what this honestly reminds me of, right? Because you do have the hits of like that bright orange right here as well. It really does remind me of like a Miami Dolphins colorway. You are going to have the three little dashes right there on the back of the heel tab as well. And like I said, this is the Whitaker group pack. So if you guys don't know the Whitaker group, It is Social Status, Ama Miniere, and the APB store, all under the same banner. Obviously, probably the most popular out of the three that people know is Ama Miniere, just because of their Jordan collaborations. But yeah, I mean, the attention to detail that they offer on their collabs is really nice. Let's just be honest. Like the Jordan collabs that they come out with, super stoked on the 3s and the 4s coming out very soon, by the way. So hoping to get those pickups as well. But yeah, they offer some really nice collabs. And this pack is no exception. So let's just go over some of the brief details. Like I said, that caging all over the shoe with that really nice silver reflective. You're gonna get this TPU kind of like toe guard right there, up at the front of the shoe right there. Like I said, nice teal hits on the N-Lock New Balance logo right there. If you did not know, N-Lock, as you can tell on the eyelets right here, when you tighten these things down, it does actually work as like a strap type of system, right? So it will add more lockdown support. So it is like a little bit of a technology in the shoe, right? You can tell right off the rip. Also going to come with an extra set of laces right there, and then pre-laced in these guys is kind of like a dark blue with like a bluish grayish hue to it. I gotta be honest, it's like more of like an indigo, right? It's like kind of hard to see maybe on camera, but in person, think of it as like a, you know, indigo or like a darker blue with some gray hues in there. The ankle color itself is also going to be lined in that really nice teal color, as well as the back of the tongue. So the tongue, it's also going to say Willful Bias for Community right there on the tongue, with your New Balance logo underneath. And then on the front, you're also going to get the WB for the Willful Bias right there as well. So really nice. Like I said, this is just a super quick, you know, overview. And then, oh, also, by the way, you're going to get orange insoles, and then I'll show the images on the screen right now. That's what your insoles look like, because I don't feel like taking them out of the shoe. But, like I said, nice shoe, man. Really nice shoe, liking New Balance overall. But let me know what you guys thought about this pack. If you have not seen my other video of these guys, make sure you go tune in on the channel. I have an unboxing and review up on those already. So let me know, guys, New Balance or not, right? I just want to know New Balance or not. Have you guys dived into New Balance? Are you part of the hype train? Do you not like them? Are you just Jordan and Nike brand and nothing else? Let me know all that good stuff down in the comments below. But I really do enjoy these. I think they're cool, and I'm here for the wave, baby. That's gonna do it for me today, guys. So make sure you guys are liking that video if you did enjoy, baby, and also subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. And hit that bell, like I said previously, because you're going to get notified every time I upload one of these slappers. And that's going to do it for me today, ladies and gentlemen. So, my name is Dylan. You guys just chilled with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.